for a minute before I start. All right, here we go. This one's pretty easy. For us in the Space Coast community that is surrounded by competitors like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA, amongst others like Boeing, it's exciting to see another company make their ground here at home in our backyard, part of our community, and to put their product out there. And that's the same thing that's going on with Terran Orbital. Basically, these guys are San Francisco based. They're a satellite manufacturer. And they have decided that, this is coming from Space News, obviously, that they are going to build a plant that produces more than 1,000 satellites per year right here in Merritt Island at what is basically the old NASA Shuttle Landing Facility, which is one of the largest running pieces of land here. It's like a 2.5 mile runway that the shuttle used to land on. They're basically saying that this thing's going to have 10 hangars. The total investment in the project is going to be $300 million. They're going to bring 2,100 jobs with an average pay of about $85,000 per year here to the Space Coast community. But the biggest thing is, it just, for me, and just, speaking off the top of my head, it reinsures the fact that this is still going to be the primary space community in America. I know that they're trying to do a lot of stuff in Boca Chica, which is great. But, when it comes to actually putting things into space, marketing of space, and using it, what people use it for, which is put up satellites and humans, right now, this is still the place to be, and it's growing. And that's kind of profound to be in this day and age. We're talking, year 2021, and space and satellites is still a growing and blossoming community. Great to see for our area. What's your thoughts on that one, Corey?
Yeah, again, I'm reiterating all the things you just said. It's really exciting to be living in the area that's now coming back to life after the shuttle program's been gone a little bit. It's been coming back to life for a while, and we've been seeing it for a number of years here. So it's not just suddenly happening now, but it is nice to see that it's still going on, and there's still a big push from local governments, state governments, and that all the local population's all on board. Everybody's super happy to see this still expand. And I will maybe you said this, but this announcement comes after 1 week, just a week ago, Terran Orbital announced that they were going to lease 4 floors in Irvine, California, for their satellite design, engineering, and all the development. So they're growing. They're everywhere. Yeah, they're not just going to be here. They're going to be in California as well. They're going to be in Florida. So they're looking to probably get all the supply chain set up so they can continue building their satellites. But yeah, it's really cool to see they're going to do this kind of volume right in our backyard. So yeah, it's that we would also obviously expect to see a bunch more launches with this kind of stuff too. So this, depending if they're going to be micro or CubeSats or bigger stuff, we'll see who's going to be carrying their payloads depending on what they're going to make. It's been said that the Terran Orbital is kind of a one-stop shop. You can kind of go there and get the kind of satellite you need to do. So
you're one-stop shopping for satellites. Terran Orbital.
You go. Yeah. So,
well, they do have a lot of. So, not to knock what Corey's saying, because it's kind of funny, because on their website they do prove, or actually make a case for the fact that they are leaders in this industry, and how many different flights they've already put up on other, obviously other people's rockets. And also, there's one thing that's actually very, very cool is you can go down to the very bottom of their website and you can see the people that are actually involved with the actual company, and their team is a pretty stout team. They do have a world-class management team that's actually put in place. They got people like Mark Bell, they got Markovia. They've also got an obviously SpaceX guy who's in there, and so they've got a bunch of actually really qualified people there to do the job. So to see them actually grow here, to put $300 million down in the backyard here of the space community, fantastic. We greatly appreciate it, and we hope it turns out as being a great investment for both the local economy and for possibly people looking to put some money into another growing satellite company, because this is a great place where you might want to put your money.
Yeah, super cool. Yeah, I can't wait to see breaking ground and hear more who they're partnering with, and go check it out.
So hey, folks, if you had a chance, like, subscribe, follow. Let us know what you think in the comments below, what this could mean for the space community, and especially what it could mean for the space community here right in Space Coast, Florida. I mean, it's great so that you could say Space Coast, Florida, and space community, and people know this is where it happens. This is where they started it all, and we a proud heritage, especially in this community, for people that really regard the space program as being the life and blood of this area. So thanks for your support. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below, and we shall carry on.